Hi, it's Justin Costello with MarineMax Pompano Beach. I'm going to take you aboard a brand new 2020 Boston Whaler 330 Outrage. Boat just got in. It's a beautiful Abaco blue, silver graphics. Boat's equipped with the new 300 V8 Verados in white. Bow thruster is equipped with the bow tow eye, so if you're towing it behind a yacht, it's a perfect tender. Let's walk upstairs. We'll hop in the boat and I'll show you some of the features this boat has. All right, up aboard the 330 Outrage. We're gonna walk through on the starboard side. Freshwater shower, nice step down, door into the cockpit. Pull out transom bench seat, large insulated in floor fish boxes, nice big transom live well. It's equipped with the standard rear facing couch option, and under here is a large insulated cooler as well with a drain. Walking towards the helm, it's equipped with the new 16-inch Axiom XL screen. Plenty of room to put another one if you desire. It also has a 7-inch Mercury vessel view. Joystick for your bow thrusting system. Trim tabs. Got a really nice helm station. You're completely protected. You got an opening vent hatch right in front of you. Vacuum flush toilet, a large stand-up head. Lots of space down there. Nice wide walkways. They did a great job with the space in the bow. Can be a really nice social area if you're just cruising the boat. Very luxurious. Nice bolsters, combing pads, and cushioned seats. Of course, the boat does have an automatic anchor windlass, VHF radio, outriggers. The boat is equipped and ready to go. It's 2020. It's Justin Costello with MarineMax in Pompano Beach, Florida. Give me a call, 954-633-2070.